Today, I'm going to show you some photos from a Real Betis and Athletic Madrid match in Seville, Spain. Using the Fujifilm X100vi, I will put my personal film simulation below that I used for this game. It's based on a nostalgic negative film simulation that Fuji has. Let's get into it. I ended up getting a seat 2 rows behind midfield. That gave me such a cool vantage point. I'll be showing the pictures here in overlays with all the settings, and it just really takes me back in time. I grew up playing football, soccer, and I'd watch these games on TV. I'd imagine myself on the field with the crowd cheering, waving, and doing all these things, and I, at one point in my life, wanted to be a professional soccer player. Getting to experience a European soccer game in person with the fans and being immersed and everything like that was so special to me. There's a certain beauty in photography that goes beyond resolution and sharpness, and I think all those specs can be fun to talk about, and I'm a gearhead myself and spend hours and hours watching reviews and analyzing, is this lens perfect for me? Is this camera body perfect for me? Where this just allows me to be fully immersed in the moment. And with it being a fixed 23mm lens, which is equivalent of 35mm full frame, I know exactly what the frame is gonna look like when I bring it up to my eye. It brings the ease of use for me, and it makes me more inclined to actually capture moments. And I was able to capture exactly how I felt in that moment. I think this is a perfect camera to capture life and daily moments as we go. Understand that life is a fleeting moment, and just to be able to do that is such a special thing. And the other unique thing about a camera like this is that you're allowed to bring it into public events and stadiums because it doesn't have an interchangeable lens, which is a limitation for most venues. It doesn't take you out of the moment. You can quickly snap something and then put it down. With a bigger setup, it's a bit more distracting, and also people around you might look at it differently. What are they doing, or what are they taking, or what are they capturing? And with this, it's so non-intrusive that people don't even think about it. You could have been doing anything, and you chose to spend a little bit of time with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed viewing these photos from the match as much as I do. And I plan on doing a full breakdown on this camera from my trip. I have so many other photos to share, and I'm excited to bring that to this channel. I hope you have a great day, and I love you.